Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful and time-saving tricks in Canva, how to add bullet points inside Canva docs. Whether you're working on a presentation, jotting down ideas, or creating professional-looking reports, being able to organize information clearly with bullet points is a game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your content more readable and visually appealing, all in just a few quick steps. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you're not already logged in, quickly sign in. Don't worry, Canva's interface is really user-friendly, so you'll find your way around pretty easily. Once you're inside, look over to the top right corner and click on the Create a Design button. A list of formats will pop up, and from here you want to select Docs. This option is perfect for structured text, meeting notes, to-do lists, or even drafting articles. Think of it like a blank canvas for your words. Everything starts here. Now that you're in a fresh Canva doc, it's time to add the text you want to turn into a bulleted list. Just start typing each item, pressing enter after each point so your ideas line up vertically, one under the other. For example, if you're making a grocery list or drafting your project steps, jot each item on its own line. Lining your text up like this is important because Canva needs to see separate lines in order to convert them each into their own bullet point. Once you have all your text ready, it's time to move on to the fun part, adding those bullet points. Go ahead and use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the entire block of text you want to format. Just click and drag over all the lines you want included, or you can use your keyboard's Shift key to make highlighting a breeze. Make sure to include every line, otherwise only part of your list will get those neat little dots next to them. With your text highlighted, look up at the menu bar at the very top of the page. You'll see an icon labeled List. It usually looks like a series of stacked lines with little dots on the side. Click on it once and instantly your text transforms into a clean, organized bullet list. If you're new to Canva docs, this step can feel a bit magical. Suddenly what was just plain text becomes far more scannable and professional looking. You might notice how much easier it is to review your information at a glance when it's in bullet points, which is exactly why so many writers and designers rely on this feature. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned a simple list of text into smart, beautiful bullet points in Canva docs. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in making your notes or presentations stand out and feel more polished. If it doesn't look quite right the first time, try undoing with Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z, and make sure your text is all lined up in separate lines before highlighting and clicking the list button. Don't worry, mastering it comes quickly with just a little practice. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful, drop a like to let me know, and feel free to comment below with any questions or to share how you're planning to use bullet points in Canva. For more easy-to-follow Canva tips and other creative tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.